Hello, kids. Today, let us learn about the new topic. So, children, where do we live on? Yes, you know that we live on the earth, right? Yes. So, today we are going to learn about our earth. So, what is earth actually, children? Is it a flat piece of land? Is it filled with hair? Or it is like a football? Or it is something else? Yes, it is a flat piece of land. No, right? Yes, it is filled with hair. Yes, like a football, it is filled with air. Yes, yes, let us learn about it, okay? Yes, so we live on the earth. So, where do we live? Yes, we live on the earth. So, it is a earth, right? Yes, so it is a earth from outer space. So only human beings are living on the earth? No, right? Yes, plants and animals also live on the earth. So earth is a ball of rock. Its surface is made up of land and water. So can you see this blue color, children? Yes. So it is a water, and this green color, it is a land. So earth is a ball of rock. So its surface is inside it is rock. So its surface, it is made up of land and water. So blue color refers to water, and this green color refers to land. So earth is a ball of rock. Its surface, this surface is made of land and waters, and it is surrounded by air. So we need land, water and air to live in on the earth. So you can see here about 3/4 of the earth is covered with water and 1/4 by land. So that's why earth is also called as a blue planet, because abundant water on the earth's surface, it appears blue, right? As so when seen from the space, it's seen like a blue, so it is called as a blue planet. So earth is also called as a blue planet. So the earth is a third planet from the sun. So it is only known planet to have life. So only this planet we will have a life. So now land. So we live on land, right? Yes. So we build our houses and we grow food on the land. So we build houses and grow food on land. So there are different types of land. So the land which is covering the earth surface, it is not uniform. So it is different. So it is not uniform. So it is different. So in some places it is rising, while in other places it is flat. So these different features that makes up a earth surface, it is called as a landforms. So the earth surface which is made up of different types, so this is called as a landform. So there are four main landforms. It is mountain, plains, deserts and the plateaus. So in this class we will learn about the flat land. It is a plain. Okay, so we will learn about the plain, hill, mountain and valleys. So the flat land, it is called as plain. So in the picture you can see it is a plain. So it is a flat, right? Yes. So this type of land we call it as plain. So many rivers and streams will flow through this plains. So many people will live and grow crops in this plain. So plain is a flat land. We are not able to see any mountains here. So it is a plain. So it is a flat land. So many people will live here and it is very suitable for them to grow crops. So next is hills. So islands are called hills. So hills are cooler than the plains. So lowland between two hills are called a valley. So this is a hill. So hills are, it is a high land. So plain is a flat land. So but hills are the high lands. So it appears higher than the places. So it is a hills. So hills are cooler than the plains because so it is too high. So hills are cooler than a plains. So can you see your two hills? Yes. So between, can you see your the places? Yes, it is called as valley. So the lowland between these two hills, it is a lowland, right? Yes. So between two hills, the lowland, it is called as valley. So it is a hills. Both the sides we can see hills, and between it is a low land. It is called as valley. So very high hills, it is called as mountains. So mountains often are covered with the snow. So most of the times we can see mountains are covered with snows and they melt to form a rivers. So this hills are smaller than the mountains, but mountain, it is a too high. So for mountain, which are the example for the mountain, can you say? So Himalayan mountain, Mount Everest. So these are the example for mountains. So can you say any example for the valleys? Yes. So it is Kashmir Valley, Brahmaputra Valley. So this is example for valleys. Next is water. So more than half of the earth is covered with water. So you all know that half of the earth is covered with water. So all these water are not able to use. So most of the earth is covered with sea and ocean. So are we able to drink this sea and ocean water? No, right? So we have to use water in a limited way. So water is present in stream, rivers, lakes, sea and ocean. So how this streams, river, lakes, sea and ocean are formed? So from where they get the water? From where they get this water? Streams, from where they get water? To form a river, where they get water? Yes, let's see. So snow will melt from the high mountains. So you all know that so at the tip of the mountain you can see the snow. So this snow will melt and it will form streams and rivers, and the river will flow from the mountain and it will form sea and ocean and lake. So the snow will melt from the tip of the mountain and it will form streams and rivers. So this river, when the snow will fall from the mountain, it will form stream and river, right? So this river will fall from the mountain and it will form lake, sea and ocean. So the sea is a large body of water. So sea is it is a very large water body. So big sea are called as ocean. So sea is a large body of water. So bigger than the sea, it is called as ocean. So rain is an important source of water. So rainwater will collect in pond, well, lakes, rivers and sea. So, do you know how many oceans are there? Yes, so there are 5 oceans. They are Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. So, in that, Pacific Ocean is the largest and Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean. So, ocean, it is very deep. So, sea is also very large body, water body, but it is smaller than a ocean. So all plants and animals need water to live, right? Yes, so we need water to drink, bath, to cook food, to wash our clothes. So many animals also live on the water, right? So water is a home to many kinds of animals such as fishes, crocodiles, right? Yes, so farmer use this water to grow crops. Even boat and ships move on the water. So the flowing water of river is used to make electricity. So the flowing water from the river, so it is used to make electricity. So water is very precious. We should never waste water. So water, what is available on the earth, we get more water, but what is available on the earth is very limited type what we can use. So ocean and sea water can we use? No, right? Yes, so only plenty of water are available for us to use. So we should never waste water. So can you see the thin layer, this blue thin layer around the earth? Can you see this thin layer? Yes, blue thin layer. Yes, it is air. So earth surrounds with the air, right? Has this thin layer of air. It is air. So there is a thin layer of air around the earth. So why do we need hair? Yes, so we need hair to breathe. So we breathe in air. Only human beings will breathe. No, right? All the living things on the earth need air to live. So plants and animals also need air to breathe. So we should not pollute our air. So air is very important, right? Yes, so to every living beings, air is very important. So we need air to breathe. So this is all about our earth. I hope all have understood. Please read your textbook. Thank you. Have a great day.